morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us today. I don't know if we have a couple of seats available, if anybody else wants to take a seat before we get started. Good morning, and everyone. I'm Lorena Martinez with the UISD Public Relations Department. As we mentioned, thank you all for making some time to join us today for this very special occasion as UISD celebrates Unity Day, which is a national movement that promotes kindness and acceptance. Today, we proudly wear orange, as you can see everybody in the room, with the exception of our students, and we'll mention why they're wearing green. But today we all proudly wear orange to spark conversations and take a stand against bullying. Bullying can target anyone through unwanted words or actions that can hurt emotionally and physically. It is more than just teasing, as it impacts a student's academic performance, health, and safety. According to the National Center for Educational Statistics, 1 in 5 students report being bullied, with a higher percentage of these students being female. This is why it's important for all of us, students, parents, educators, and our community partners, to take a stand and take action. And today we proudly do that. But before we tell you how we're doing that as a district, we would like to recognize our special guest with us, joining us today. At this moment, we'd like to recognize our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Gerardo Cruz. And before I introduce these next very special guests, I want to tell you UISD has just launched its first Superintendent for the Day program. And today we will be welcoming our very first superintendent student honorees who are here with us today. They will be shadowing the superintendent for the day. They've already started by sitting at his desk, taking some photos, doing all kinds of superintendent things. So right now, please help me welcome Gianna Gonzalez. She's a 5th grader at San Isidro Elementary, and Jaime Ortiz, 8th grader from Gonzalez Middle School. They're looking so sharp, right? I love it. They've already got the look down. So thank you so much, guys, for being with us today. Also, we'd like to recognize members of the district management team, administrators, district and camp leaders. Please stand and be recognized at this moment. We also like to take some time to acknowledge our special guests who are joining us today in an effort to unite against bullying. Please join me in welcoming the Laredo Police Department here with us today. Thank you so much. The Laredo Suicide Coalition Committee. Thank you for joining us. We also have representatives from communities and schools with us. Thank you. West Care of Texas is also with us. Thank you so much. We have also members from SCAN joining us. Thank you for your attendance. Of course, we would like to recognize our UISD professional school counselors who are here with us today, and of course, all their efforts to prevent bullying. And our UISD licensed professional counselors. And of course, the UISD Counseling Department as a whole and their director, Mrs. Melissa Ramirez. Thank you so much. And to get started, we'd like to welcome our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Gerardo Cruz, to come up and share a few words.
All right, well, good morning, everyone. Certainly a great time to be part of United ISD on Unity Day. Wonder where they got that unity from. They probably looked at all the great things that have been happening here at United ISD. I want to welcome all of you this morning. Thank you to all of our community partners for making sure that we get the word out that bullying is not tolerated in any form, and we at United ISD do have concerted effort to be sure that when we know when bullying is occurring or when we get notice, that our counseling department and our administrators immediately go into action to be sure that we investigate all the cases and making sure that if bullying is happening, we find ways to stop, we find ways to intervene and work with the families to make sure that we maintain the social support of all of our students. Again, community partners, without you, many of the initiatives that have been in place would not be able to. 988 has been very impactful, and I can tell you many stories where we receive messages on 988. We get that information immediately. Our safety management team takes action, and we actually actually, do home visits and make sure that our students are well and that the home environment is also well. So thank you to our safety department and our police officers who are doing these things daily. So how about a big shout out to them, to all our law enforcement. As well as our campus principals, who go, it's a daily grind. It's not only about academics, it's also about meeting the social needs of our students and the amount of training that we do. A big shout out to our counseling department under the leadership of Ms. Ramirez. Thank you. Being a school counselor is a tough job because you're going to hear student stories and you're going to see like, oh my God, we can't believe, these things are happening in our community. But, with their support and their training, making sure that our teachers are well versed in how to identify bullying and how to intervene is second to none. And thank you, students, for your voice, because you're also at the front lines, and it's also been reported, when things are happening at the school. Thank you for voicing your concerns, for talking to an adult, sharing the adult, saying, hey, my friend is getting bullied, something is happening. So thank you, students. So anything that you can do is continue to advocate for your fellow friends and stay off the cell phones. I do have to say, with the cell phone ban, we've seen a major decrease in the number of reports that have been happening. So, I was rather hesitant, because I had school-age children and I always wanted to make sure that I was in contact with them. We had an option. The state said you can do a total ban or just find a way where cell phones, are out of sight. And certainly we took that action and we made sure, cell phones, will be properly secured. And I think we're doing well right now. Hopefully students, you continue to train yourselves. Cell phones should only be, for after hours, and whatever all the communication that you're doing is in a positive light. So let's continue to have a great day, and every day should be Unity Day. Let's continue to stress of being together, stress the importance of inclusivity, and making sure that we all maintain good working relationships with one another. So thank you. And at this time, we're going to have some words from our superintendents of the day. They have a lot of questions, and I know I told them, hey, we're going to be doing, you're going to be able to see some of the big shots here. You're going to be listening to associate superintendents, assistant superintendents. So they do have some questions. I know that, as a young child myself, back in the day, my favorite time of the day was lunch, and they always have questions, about meals, so I'm sure they're going to have questions, so be ready, Mr. Garza. They're also going to have some questions about athletics, how we do PE, so student voice is always important, because they are on the front end, they're in our classrooms, and I always feel it's important to get their insight in terms of what they're thinking, so we can respond accordingly. So at this time, we're going to start with Gianna. Would you like to come up? You need to hold the microphone, or?
Sure.
Can everyone see Gianna? Yes? Okay.
Unity Day is part of a National Bullying Prevention Month, a time when schools and communities across the country unite to create safe environments, share information, and offer steps to address and prevent bullying. Thank you.
Amen. Mr. Ortiz, superintendent for the day.
What is it? What is it? Okay. UISD takes a comprehensive, district-wide approach against bullying through a variety of supporting incentives across campuses and specialized services offered by the counseling department.
Good job. So thank you very much. I know public speaking is sometimes can be nerve-wracking. For everyone here, I do get nervous. It's natural. But I did tell them, as you get used to it, you get more comfortable with it. So thank you for being brave, for coming up here. I know they just saw the script this morning and they were, oh, those are big words. So we practice and practice, but another round of applause. I think they did great. So again, thank you very much, and let's continue with the rest of today's presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Cruz. And thank you to our student superintendent honorees. You guys did amazing. And just so you guys know, they were selected from a very rigorous process. They had to submit videos and tell us why they wanted to be superintendent for the day. So just know that these kids are very interested in this and they're excited to learn what happens in our district and of course have their input as well. So as we continue, we'd also like to invite to share some words with us up here, Mr. Earl Medina from West Care. He'd like to share some words on our topic for today against anti-bullying.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate Unity Day, as we are here to celebrate the stigma of trying to stop bullying around our communities, especially our school districts. I want to thank each and every one of you, especially the Guidance Counseling Department, Dr. Cruz, and everyone that stands united today to stop bullying. As president and founder of Orgullo Laredo Youth and Safe Haven, I advocate to support each and every one of you to the best as we can to stand together and stay united. It's good to be cool but not cruel. But be a friend, not a bully. Thank you very much, and I hope we could work together.
Thank you, Mr. Medina, and to West Care for your partnership, continuous partnership with us. As we know, they've been partnering with us for different events and different initiatives that we have here at the district. So we really appreciate your partnership. And well, as part of the district's decisive action regarding bullying, we are announcing a new initiative designed to support awareness, prevention, and address bullying in all its forms. At this time, please direct your attention to the screen to learn all about this new initiative.
We've all been there. We've been bullied, known a bully, or seen its devastating effects. But now, we have the power to change the narrative. We must do something now to protect and support each other. That's why United Independent School District will be partnering with the Ugly Foundation and Lightspeed Systems. We will be able to implement both on-campus and online anti-bullying efforts this year. We will work together to end the chain of hate by responding with love messages, and we will be changing what the word ugly means. Now, when you are ugly, you are recognized as unique, gifted, loved, and individual. How do we spread this message of light in the darkness? Through programs like the Ugly Club. The Ugly Foundation has awarded financial resources to 17 UISD campuses, 13 middle schools, and 4 high schools. These funds are vital. They will allow schools to start an entirely new anti-bullying club to create safe spaces. This is how we will give individuals the tools to support each other and end the bullying. Help us make the world a kinder place. Support programs that end bullying. Get involved today.
At this moment, I'd like to call up our middle school students and their sponsor, if they can stand here to my right side, and then also our high school students, representatives from the Ugly Club at each of the schools. If you guys can line up right here. This is why they're wearing their shirts. The Ugly Foundation has sent us the shirts for the club that they're going to be starting. And just to tell you a little bit more about it, the Ugly Foundation is an anti-bullying foundation founded by Angela Garcia in Austin, Texas. In addition to the grant, Ugly provides merchandise, a guide full of club activities, seasonal programming, informational webinars open to everyone, teachers, administrators, and parents. And through their partnership with Lightspeed Systems, the Ugly Foundation provided our district, United ISD, with a $50,000 technology grant. Might I add, the first of its kind. So we're very excited about that. And up here in front are our students. This is Isabela Rodriguez. Say hi. And Ryan Ramirez from United Middle School. They're 6th graders, and their sponsor, Miss Edith Vela. She's going to be in charge of the Ugly Club at United Middle School. We also have our high school students, Katia Velasquez from United High School, Adolfo Romero from Lyndon B. Johnson, Brianna Hernandez from United South High School, and Regina Gutierrez Verbugnen from Alexander High School. They've chosen to lead by example, participating in the new Ugly Club at their campuses. And of course, as we just did, give them a round of applause for their courage and leadership in making sure our schools are a kinder and safer place. We can't wait to hear all about these clubs and what you guys are going to be doing as we begin these clubs around our district. As we mentioned, 17 campuses have been awarded, and I know we're working on getting more grants of this kind so that we can continue spreading kindness and unity across our district and make sure that bullying is something that we're equipped to prevent and combat. So we want to just thank everyone who's been part of this initiative to make sure students not only practice kindness and acceptance in their schools, but also become equipped with the tools necessary. This is the newest program in our district, but as we did mention before, the district already has other services in place offering our students full support. And for that, of course, you can contact our UISD counseling department with Ms. Ramirez to learn all about the resources available. And also, we do want to mention we have some of these bookmarks for Unity Day at the back next to our refreshments and snacks. If you'd like to take one, to serve as a reminder that Unity Day is more than just one day. It's a commitment to daily creating a space where everyone belongs. So this concludes our press conference for today. Feel free to enjoy some refreshments and snacks. And we also want to thank you for everything that you guys are doing to help our district prevent and combat bullying. Thank you so much.